Getting some color on the trees out there. Everybody's in, eating hay. I'm gonna come back later and grain because it's too early. Here's our old barn, our house, tractor, my crazy dog. She digs and throws dirt and then chases it. I don't know what's wrong with her. Under the fence is my horse trailer, my truck, my horse trailer, my dog. I just locked them in. Now they're mad because I didn't get right in. This is my truck. Look at that pretty tree in my neighbor's yard. Pretty pretty. That whole mountain over there, I don't know if you can really see it, but it is like red. We got the colors coming. Pretty soon our street's gonna be clogged with people. All right, I'm gonna get off of here, get in my truck and go up to the house for a while, get supper started. I'll talk to you all later.